So let us start the snap in power system for IOCL. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first of what are the components that they use in the power system?
So in the power system, as the power system comprises of generation, transmission, and distribution. So starting from the generating end, we need a turbine, a generator. Then we step up it with a transformer, and then we connect it to the bus. Then is the transmission line, and then on the distribution end there is a transformer, and then we uh, send it further, and in between the relays and circuit breakers and other protecting devices.
Okay. So what is T&D losses?
Sir, the losses in the whole process from generation to distribution, all the losses in all the devices, in all the instruments used, and in the working comprise of the T&D losses in the transmission, in the transformer, in generators.
Okay. What is Jacobian matrix?
So Jacobian matrix that we use in the Newton-Raphson method, uh, it is to represent the differential equation, partial differential equation.
Okay. So which is better, Newton-Raphson or fast decoupled load flow method?
So it depends on our requirement. If accuracy can be slightly compromised, then we should go for fast decoupled method, otherwise Newton-Raphson.
So why we generally say that Newton-Raphson method is better?
So it is more accurate, and it is more better in terms of the number of iterations. It is used for large system.
Okay. What is loading effect?
um, Loading effect. So due to the instruments also absorb some power. There are losses in the instruments also, which causes the error. It comprises of the loading effect.
Okay. So what is central transmission utility?
Sir, what?
What is central transmission utility? CTU.
No, sir, I don't know.
Okay. Can you tell what are the total installed capacity of the India?
Sir, of India, uh, it has to be around in hundreds of gigawatts.
Only 100 of gigawatt.
I mean, in hundreds of it. I don't know the exact number, but like more than 300 gigawatts, I remember.
Okay. So what is a surge arrestor?
So surge arrestor is used for it. It stops the high voltage coming through the transmission line, or
What are the type of
it just
type of what are the type?
types of surge arresters, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I don't know about the types, but we also use surge arrestor near a transformer, and in the substation at the both ends of the substation. That only I know.
Okay. So how many type of relay are there?
Um, Sir, there are static relays and then electromechanical, and we use on the basis of the principle they used to operate. They are armature attraction type relay, induction type. Yes.
The government has initiated the for rural electrification. So what was the main theme? What is the main idea behind that national electrification policy?
Sir, which policy?
National Electrification Policy or Rural Electrification Policy.
Okay.
So what was the main idea behind this policy?
Sir, I don't know, but it could be about installing the solar panels, maybe.
Okay. And what is a smart grid?
So smart grid is the whole is our whole system of grid in which we use these smart equipments like smart meters and
Okay,
other advanced instruments.
that is known as a smart grid.
Yes, sir, that's what I know.
Okay. So what is MCB?
Sir, MCB is the miniature circuit breaker, and it operates at, I mean, it's used in the domestic for domestic purpose.
What is the rating?
Uh, no, sir, I don't remember.
What is
It's
MCCB?
uh, it's it's molded something I forgot.
What is RCCB?
This I don't know.
Okay. So what is earth leakage circuit breaker? ELCB.
Earth leakage circuit breaker. Um, so for the underground cables, the charging current is more, and there can be a huge loss in that. So we might be using that circuit breaker there. I haven't heard of it.
Okay. So for changing the operating time of a relay, how can we do that?
Um,
Do you know what is relay now?
yes, sir, sir, we use the time multiplier setting.
Okay. And how can we do that? Uh, How can we change the operating time of a relay?
Mm. So I don't know, sir.
Okay. So your interview is over. I'm giving you the feedback.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Coming to the last question, how can we change the
Yes,
operating
sir.
time of relay? So how can the operating time of relay? On what factor does it depend? Distance.
Sir, it is inversely proportional to current.
Listen.
I mean,
So,
mostly.
on what factor does it depend? Distance, and thereafter, how fast the moving part of the relay is changed.
How far the moving part of the relay
How
is?
fast of the relay, um, how fast the moving part of relay is changed as per the time. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
first one is time multiply setting, as you have told, but you have to justify how it does. And thereafter, uh, on an account of distance.
Okay.
Okay. And thereafter, MCCB, RCB, miniature circuit breaker, malt circuit breaker, and RCB and RCCB. Okay. So these three are
Hmm.
the rating is first is 100 ampere MCB, and second one MCCB, the rating is 1000 ampere. Okay. And RCB
Okay,
is the
sir.
the reverse current for which the used in the generally household. Okay.
Okay.
And there, yeah, and thereafter, I'm talking about the central transmission utility. Just go through
Yes,
this.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the government, it is related to the government company, provided that the government shall not engage in the business of the power generation or the power trading. Okay.
Hmm.
So for understanding the transmission, uh, so the interstate interstate transmission system, this term has been implemented central transmission utility. Okay, so state transmission utility, central government, state government, generating company, regional power authority, thereafter all the license will be given. So what it does, it provides the non-discriminatory open access to its transmission for the use of any license for the government company or any consumer for the payment and transaction system. So this CTU is governed for our all the system that we use. Okay,
Okay, sir. And
and
sir, you told about the reverse current circuit breaker. So how in the household reverse current will flow?
RCT. So RCT general or RCCB. So these are the two terms, and the rating of the RCCB and RCD is being slightly higher when you compare with the MCB or MCCB. So when the fault occur, when the fault occur, the reverse current. So the reverse. So suppose there is a phase or neutral. Phase or neutral, both the wire are connected through RCD. So when the trip occur, the R fault also occur, and the amount of current flow through the phase or the line must return through the neutral. So it detects the mismatch between the two currents flowing through the line and the neutral, and trip the circuit, and the time is about the 30 milliseconds.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and RCD is extremely effective in the form of shock protection.
In the form of
Shock protection.
soft
Shock.
protect,
Shock.
shock protect, shock. Okay.
Shock protection. And mostly the rating is 30 milliampere or 100 milliampere, widely used. Okay, while the
Okay, sir.
MCCB is 100 and 1000, this is in milliampere. Or and there is also the limitation of RCCB, and so we do the advancement to get into the MCB or RCD in a single limit, and these two limits are generally called as RCBO. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Residual current and yeah. So and thereafter I have asked about the earth leakage circuit breaker, and then you have told about the undergone earth leakage current. And for safe limiting the for the human body, the current is same as 30 milliampere per second. And then they should ask mostly about, because these are for the shock protection. So they should ask that what is the human resistance. Human resistance is approximately.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. So yeah, so if they ask about the what is the what is the human how does this 30 milliampere and how does we calculate the earth leakage circuit breaker, then you say that if suppose that earth, normally the resistance is 100 kilo ohm, sorry 1 kilo ohm, 1 kilo ohm. So it is so 230 divided by 1 kilo ohm into 1000. So then body current will be around 150 or 200 millisecond. It is being the rating will be for the earth leakage circuit breaker. And thereafter I have asked about the lightning arrestor.
Yes,
So
sir.
lightning arrestor, you have said it correctly, but please go through what are the type of lightning arrestor.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so mostly used it is ZNO. The question that is being asked in the IOCL.
Okay, sir. I will look
What are the
for the types of lightning arrestor.
yeah? It is metal oxide type. It is zinc oxide type, gerano type. There is the main type of lightning arrestor, and
Yes, sir.
the rest of part is your fine. And anything more do you want to ask?
So one question was about smart grid.
Yeah, smart gate. So smart gate is about the digital communication between the receiving and sending.
Okay.
So when the word smarts come, is the two-way communication.
Okay, sir.